Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix the USB is not recognized error. Chapter 1. Fix USB not recognized assigning letter. To start, open File Explorer. Here, validate that the USB is not visible. Then, right-click on the Start menu. Now click on Disk Management. Then right-click on the USB drive. Now click on Change Drive Letter and Paths. Then click Add. Then select the desired letter. Click on OK. You can see that the USB is already visible in the system. Chapter 2. Fix USB not recognized with troubleshooter. To begin, enter the word troubleshoot in the search. Here, click on Troubleshoot Other Problems. Then click on the Windows Update section, select Run. Wait for the analysis to be carried out. Chapter 3. Fix USB not recognized adjusting the power. To begin, enter the word plan in the search. Click Edit Power Plan. Now click on Change Advanced Power Settings. After this, select USB Settings. Here, set the value to Disabled in the USB Selective Suspend Settings section. Click Apply and OK. Chapter 4. Fix USB not recognized updating driver. To start, right-click on the Start menu, select Device Manager. Now, in the Universal Serial Bus Controller section, right-click on the controller. Select Update Driver. Then, click on Search automatically for drivers. Wait for this process to complete. Chapter 5. Fix USB not recognized from CMD. To start, enter CMD in the search. Click Run as administrator. Now run the gpupdate command. Press Enter. Chapter 6. Fix USB not recognized reinstalling driver. To start, right-click on the Start menu, select Device Manager. Now, in the Universal Serial Bus Controller section, right-click on the USB controller. Select Uninstall Device. Confirm this process by clicking on Uninstall. Now, in the Action menu, click on Scan for hardware changes. This will reinstall the USB driver. Chapter 7. Fix USB not recognized checking the drive. To start, open File Explorer, then right-click on the USB, select Properties. After this, in the Tools tab, click Check. Click on Scan Drive to perform the analysis. Chapter 8. Fix USB not recognized from PowerShell. To begin, in the search, enter PowerShell. Click Run as administrator. Now execute the command you see on the screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now, click Next. Here, you wait for the analysis to be performed. Then, you can see the possible solutions to use. Wait for this process to finish. Chapter 9. Fix USB not recognized changing the letter. To start, right-click on the Start menu, then click on Disk Management. After this, right-click on the USB drive. Now click on Change Drive Letter and Paths. Here, click Change. Select the new letter to use. Click on OK. Confirm this USB letter change. Chapter 10. Fix USB not recognized configuring power management. To start, right-click on the Start menu, click on Device Manager. Now, in the Universal Serial Bus Controllers section, double-click on the USB controller. Then, go to the Power Management tab. Here, clear the Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power checkbox. Click OK. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.